Most men underestimate what 90 days of discipline can do. They think change is only physical, more muscle, better skin, sharper jawline. But the real transformation goes far deeper. When you stay consistent with semen retention for 90 days, your entire system begins to recalibrate. Your mind becomes clearer, your emotions become stable, and your energy stops leaking. This internal shift slowly starts reflecting externally, on your face, in your eyes, and in the way you carry yourself. In the beginning, the process feels difficult. Your mind is used to constant stimulation, instant gratification, and easy dopamine. When you cut that off, resistance kicks in. You feel restless, distracted, and tempted. But this phase is crucial, it's where your brain starts detoxing. The fog begins to lift, and for the first time in a long time, you start thinking without constant noise in the background. As weeks pass, your face starts to show subtle changes. It's not magic, it's biology and energy combined. Better sleep, reduced stress, and hormonal balance begin to improve your skin. Your eyes look less tired, more focused. There's a certain sharpness that wasn't there before. It's not about becoming someone else, it's about removing the dullness that was hiding your natural presence. Your aura also begins to shift. Earlier, your energy may have felt scattered or weak. Now, it becomes more contained and stable. You're not reacting to everything around you. You're not seeking attention or validation. This creates a calm, grounded presence. People may not be able to explain it, but they feel that something about you is different. Another major change happens in your posture and body language. You start standing straighter, moving slower, and carrying yourself with more control. This isn't forced, it's a natural outcome of increased self-respect. When you know you're practicing discipline daily, it reflects in how you present yourself to the world. Your eyes become one of the biggest indicators of change. There's more stillness in your gaze. You don't look around nervously or avoid eye contact. Instead, your focus becomes steady. This kind of eye contact can feel intense because it's backed by internal control, not insecurity. Mentally, you experience a level of clarity that most men rarely reach. Decisions become easier. Overthinking reduces. You stop jumping between thoughts and start thinking in a straight line. This clarity not only improves your productivity but also your confidence, because you trust your own mind. Emotionally, you become more balanced. You're not easily triggered, and you don't react impulsively. This stability is powerful because it allows you to handle situations calmly. Instead of being controlled by your emotions, you start controlling them. That shift changes how others perceive you. Your interactions with people also evolve. You speak less, but your words carry more weight. You listen more, observe more, and react less. This creates a sense of depth in your personality. People may start respecting you more, even if they don't know why. Another visible change is your energy levels. You feel less drained and more active throughout the day. Tasks that once felt exhausting become manageable. This increase in energy allows you to stay consistent with your goals, whether it's fitness, work, or personal growth. Your confidence becomes quieter but stronger. It's no longer about proving anything to anyone. It's about knowing who you are and what you're capable of. This kind of confidence doesn't need validation, it exists on its own. Over time, your habits begin to align with your goals. You naturally start avoiding things that drain you and focusing on things that build you. This alignment creates momentum. And momentum is what drives long-term success. Your aura at this stage feels calm yet powerful. It's not loud or aggressive, it's controlled. People may feel comfortable around you, but also slightly aware of your presence. This balance of calmness and strength is rare. You also develop a deeper connection with yourself. You become more aware of your thoughts, your actions, and your direction in life. This self-awareness helps you make better choices and avoid unnecessary distractions. By the time you reach 90 days, the transformation is undeniable. Not because you've become a completely different person, but because you've removed layers of distraction, weakness, and inconsistency. What remains is a clearer, stronger, and more focused version of you. As you move beyond the 90-day mark, one of the most noticeable shifts is how effortless your discipline starts to feel. What once required constant resistance now becomes your default state. You're no longer fighting urges every moment, your mind has adapted. This is where true control begins, not forced restraint but natural alignment with your higher self. Your face continues to refine in subtle but powerful ways. The puffiness reduces, your expressions become more composed, and there's a natural tightness that gives you a sharper, more masculine look. It's not about perfection, it's about presence. Your face starts reflecting calm authority instead of hidden exhaustion. There's also a deeper intensity in your aura now. Earlier, it was about calmness, but now it carries quiet power. When you enter a room, people notice. Not because you're trying to stand out, but because your energy is no longer scattered. It's focused, contained, and grounded. Your tolerance for low-value habits drops significantly. Things like mindless scrolling, excessive entertainment, or chasing validation begin to feel uncomfortable. You naturally gravitate towards growth-oriented actions. This shift is crucial because it protects your energy from being wasted again. Another powerful change is your patience. You stop expecting instant results. You understand the value of time, consistency, and delayed gratification. This mindset alone separates you from most men, who are still trapped in a cycle of quick pleasure and quick burnout. Your voice may even change subtly, becoming calmer, slower, and more controlled. You don't rush your words. You speak with intention. This adds to your overall presence, making you come across as more confident and composed without trying too hard. Your decision-making becomes sharper. You're less confused, less doubtful. Instead of overanalyzing every situation, you trust your instincts more. This is because your mind is no longer clouded by constant stimulation and distraction. You also start noticing how people respond differently to you. Conversations become smoother, respect increases, and even silence becomes comfortable. You don't feel the need to fill every gap with words. Your presence itself starts communicating strength. There's a growing sense of self-respect that anchors everything. You begin to value your time, your energy, and your attention at a higher level. This makes you less available for things that don't align with your purpose, and more committed to what truly matters. Ultimately, what happens after 90 days is not just a transformation, it's a foundation. A foundation of discipline, clarity, and controlled energy that you can build your entire life upon. And once you reach this stage, you realize something powerful. Notice a powerful shift in how you perceive attraction itself. It's no longer something you chase or seek validation from. Instead, it becomes something that naturally flows toward you. Your energy is no longer outwardly desperate, it is inwardly full. This subtle change makes your aura feel magnetic rather than needy. Your mornings start feeling different. You wake up with more clarity, less mental noise, and a stronger sense of direction. There's less hesitation in starting your day, and more intent behind every action. This compounds over time, turning ordinary days into productive, purpose-driven progress. You also develop a stronger resistance to emotional distractions. Situations that once drained you, overthinking, rejection, unnecessary drama, begin to lose their grip on your mind. You observe more and react less. This emotional detachment doesn't make you cold, it makes you controlled. Your physical presence continues to evolve alongside your internal discipline. Even without drastic changes, your body language alone begins to signal strength. The way you walk, sit, and move carries a sense of awareness. You're no longer unconsciously shrinking yourself, you occupy space with certainty. There's also a deeper sense of purpose that starts forming within you. You begin questioning how you spend your time, who you surround yourself with, and what direction your life is heading in. This isn't confusion, it's clarity demanding better choices. Your focus sharpens to a level where distractions feel almost irritating. You become protective of your attention. Whether it's work, fitness, or self-growth, you start entering deeper states of concentration that were previously difficult to access. Socially, your interactions gain a different tone. You're not trying to impress, you're simply expressing. This authenticity makes conversations more real and less forced. People can sense when someone is not performing, and that alone builds a quiet respect. You may also notice that your standards begin to rise, not just for others, but for yourself. You stop tolerating mediocrity in your habits, your thinking, and your environment. This internal standard becomes your new baseline, pushing you toward continuous improvement. You were never lacking potential. You were just leaking the energy needed to become it.